Hello, kids!
Hello, kids! Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled between rolling green hills and sparkling streams, there lived a young girl named Lily. She was no ordinary girl. Though she wore simple clothes and lived in a tiny cottage at the edge of the village, her heart was as bright and colorful as the flowers she loved so dearly. Every morning, Lily would rise before the sun, her bare feet brushing against the soft morning dew as she made her way to the fields. She carried a wicker basket woven carefully by her grandmother and filled it with the most beautiful flowers she could find: bright daisies, crimson roses, golden sunflowers, and delicate wildflowers that swayed in the morning breeze. Good morning, little ones. Let's make today magical for someone. For Lily, every flower had a story, every petal a secret wish, and she believed that giving flowers to others could make the world a brighter, happier place. The village square bustles with people. Merchants set up their stalls with fruits, vegetables, and handcrafted goods. The scent of fresh bread and herbs fills the air. Lily sets up her flower stall at the corner, arranging her flowers with care. Though her life was simple and her family had little, Lily's heart was rich with generosity. Every flower she sold came with a cheerful smile, and everyone in the village loved her for it. Lily, your flowers are the most beautiful in the village. How do you always make them so lovely? I just talk to them and tell them stories. Flowers love a good story as much as we do. Lily hands a bright yellow daisy to a little boy. His eyes light up. Thank you, Miss Lily. I'll give this to my mother. Tell her it comes with a wish for happiness and smiles today. And so, each day, Lily brought a little more joy to the village, not with wealth, but with her kindness and the magic of her flowers. Lily sits under a large oak tree outside the village, gazing toward a magnificent castle on the hill in the distance. Its towers glimmer in the morning sun, surrounded by sparkling gardens. Though Lily loved her village and the simple life she led, she often dreamed of something more. She wished she could do even more to help the villagers, not just by selling flowers, but by making sure everyone had food to eat, clothes to wear, and homes warm and safe. Oh, if only I could make everyone happy, the way these flowers make them smile. Little did Lily know, her kind and selfless heart had caught the attention of someone magical, someone who had been watching over the village for a long time. A soft, shimmering light dances among the trees, forming into a gentle fairy with wings like sparkling petals.
Ensure no one goes
Lily.
hungry.
Who are you? I am Flora, the guardian of flowers. I have watched your kindness for many seasons. You care for others with a heart full of love, even though you have so little yourself. That is a rare gift. I just want to help people. And because of that, I have a gift for you. Tonight, as the moon rises, your wish to help others will have a chance to come true. But remember, Lily, true happiness does not come from wealth or fancy clothes. It comes from a heart willing to care for others and from the joy of giving. Flora waves her wand, sprinkling golden flower dust. It sparkles and floats in the air like tiny stars. Lily stands in the middle of her garden. Suddenly, a soft wind swirls around her. Her simple dress glimmers and transforms into a flowing gown made of petals and sunlight. A delicate crown of flowers rests upon her head. With a touch of magic, Lily became a princess, the flower princess. But her heart remained humble, and her mission remained the same, to help those in need and spread joy wherever she went. I am a princess, but my heart is still me. I can help everyone now. And with that, Lily stepped into a world where she could turn her dreams into reality. The villagers notice a carriage arriving, drawn by horses with ribbons and flowers woven into their manes. Lily steps out, her gown shimmering in the sunlight. Is that Lily? She's become a princess. Do not fear me, dear friends. I am still Lily, your neighbor, your friend. I only have more means now to help you. She walks among the villagers, listening to their problems, some worried about crops, some about their children's health, some about repairing their homes. Princess Lily's first task was to understand the needs of the people she loved. She listened carefully, offering encouragement, hope, and solutions. Princess Lily, our well has dried up, and we do not have water for our crops. Do not worry, together we will find water. We will plant seeds of hope, just as we plant flowers. Lily rallies the villagers. They dig a new well and repair their irrigation. Her gentle guidance inspires everyone. Children gather around Lily in the palace garden, learning to plant flowers in colorful pots. Butterflies dance above them. Princess Lily loved to teach the villagers, especially children, the importance of kindness and caring for nature. She showed them how to plant flowers, saying that every act of love and care could bloom into something beautiful. Every flower you plant is like a smile you give to the world. Remember, even small acts of kindness grow into something wonderful. Look, Princess Lily, my flower is blooming. And so is your heart, dear one. Flowers bloom in a rainbow of colors, children laugh, and the garden feels alive with magic. Dark clouds gather above the village. A greedy merchant rides in with a sinister smile, claiming the village land. This village belongs to me now. Leave or face the consequences. But Princess Lily did not panic. She knew that courage, wisdom, and kindness were more powerful than fear. We will not fight with anger. We will protect our home with cleverness and love. Lily guides the villagers to plant magical flowers around the village perimeter. As the flowers bloom, they shine with protective light, creating a barrier that stops the merchant. What is this magic? It is the magic of caring hearts, of unity, and of hope. Leave peacefully or learn respect for kindness. The merchant flees, defeated by the power of love and community. Villagers cheer. The sun shines again, and the village celebrates with music, dancing, and flowers everywhere. Thanks to Princess Lily's wisdom and courage, the village was safe. Everyone rejoiced, for they had learned that together, with kindness and unity, they could overcome any challenge. Princess Lily, you are a blessing to all of us. No, my friends, it is the heart of every one of us that makes this village wonderful. Children carry baskets of flowers to every house, villagers hug and smile, laughter fills the air. Lily sits in her garden at sunset, handing flowers to villagers and listening to their stories. Princess Lily never forgot her humble beginnings as a flower seller. She had learned that wealth and titles mean little compared to a heart full of love and the joy of helping others. Remember, little one, no matter who you are, you can make the world brighter. Even the smallest act of kindness is like planting a flower. It grows and spreads beauty everywhere. Flowers glow softly in the twilight, and the village feels warm and peaceful. Lily waves from the castle balcony as the sun sets, fireflies twinkle in the garden, and magical petals float in the wind. And so, dear children, remember this. Even the smallest heart can make the biggest difference. Every act of love, every smile, every kind word, these are the true magic in our world. Fade out with flowers swaying in the breeze, birds singing, and the castle glowing under the evening sky.